Hey Stampers, it's Brandy here, and I am so excited. Our Creativate Summer Retreat registration is open, and we'd love to have you join us. Now, this is a virtual retreat where you can enjoy it from the leisure of your home. And our goal is to share projects, ideas, and inspiration with you, and you use the products that you have at home. We'll give you a supply list so you have some ideas of what we're going to be using and some of the techniques or cards that we're going to be making. It is just such a fun weekend. And for those of you that have joined us in the past, we just appreciate you so much. And if you're new to Brandy's Cards and you're new to Creativate, we'd love to have you join us. Once you do, you'll be addicted. We all absolutely love it. It's just a super fun crafting weekend. We all meet virtually on a Friday night and then again on Saturday. Now, one of the things that is fantastic, if you're unable to join us, if you register and you're unable to join us the weekend of the event, not to worry. We do create backup videos in the event that something should happen so that you always get those videos that you are promised. But you'll also have access to the main event webpage where you'll have access to the videos that were shared during the presentations that weekend. So you will always be able to visit that page, download those projects, and enjoy those videos. So we would love to have you join us. Save the dates. Yeah, the dates are July 24th and 25th is the weekend that we're going to be crafting together. Our Creativate community is one of encouragement, of friendship, and we have a Facebook page as well. It's a private Facebook page for you to share your projects if you choose to do so. And if you are a part of that, you will be so inspired by all the projects that you see. Not only will you be inspired, but you can inspire others by sharing your projects as well. Now, during the event, you're going to get 48 tutorials. Oh my gosh, you're going to have plenty of cards and projects to last you for some time. Now, I've pulled out 3 different projects that I've created in the past for Creativate. So these were done in the past, just to kind of give you an idea of some of the projects that you might see. So check out this one. This is super fun. This cute little safari set. And check this out. Are you ready? Whoa, look at that. How cool is that? So I just thought that was super fun. This is one of the cards that I created. And of course, one thing I love about the retreat, we're always going to show you an idea of decorating the envelope, and we're always going to decorate the inside of the card for you as well. Now, the sunflower, check out the sunflower. Everybody loves this embossing folder. And this was a really fun technique that I shared using some craft white ink. And then check on the inside. Really, really fun. And now here's another one. This one uses vellum, and you can see the vellum, and I showed those who attended how to add the ink to the vellum, so it really looked like that beautiful blue ocean water. And then of course it has this waterside retreat, just really relaxing front. And then on the inside, now I did stamp an envelope as well, and that envelope does coordinate. So as you can see, the projects at the event are just so much fun. We do techniques, we do 3D projects, some different types of boxes and things. And there's always probably candy and chocolate involved. And of course, cards for you. Our goal is to inspire you to create and to send those paper hugs and paper blessings to others. That's what we hope. And we also hope that you create new friendships. By getting in our live chat, you can chat with other people in our Creativate community who love crafting just as much as you do. I think I can honestly say we can all raise our right hand and say how much we love our paper crafts and our time together. So registration is open. You're going to go to brandyscards.com/creativate and you can get registered right away. Now, each Creativate leader, we each have our own unique registration link. And I would be honored and grateful if you would consider registering with me here at Brandy's Cards. I'd love to have you join us as a guest of Brandy's Cards. So, and I appreciate your consideration. So brandyscards.com/creativate. And if you have any questions, it will be in the description below in this video. So you can click on it there as well. And you can also send me an email. If you have any questions about the event or how it's ran or anything like that, not to worry. You could reach me at brandyscards.com/contact. Thank you so much for stopping by today. And I just really appreciate it and hope that you will join us for our Summer Creativate online stamping retreat. Save the dates, July 24th and 25th. Take care, everyone. Bye now.